Doing? What are you playing with? Water. Are you playing with water? He tries to say it. He says, whoa, whoa. Okay, is this the water? Oh. Oh! He runs away. Mom, come over here. Okay, let's spray it in here. Here he comes. Woo! I'm gonna get you. He runs away. He's having so much fun that even when he falls down, he doesn't get mad or upset. Okay, come back. What? It's over here. Come over here. Woo! Faked you out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, water. Are you going to play with the water table? Can you play with it? Let's see how much fun you have. Look, we put leaves in it, and he pours water in that bucket, which has a hole in it because it's for the wheel, and he takes it over to the petrified wood and pours it on there, but then it's all gone by the time he gets there. Oh, you think you're gonna... No. That's for Mommy to do. It's too hard for kids.
Dad!
You want me to do it again? Give it to Mommy. Oh, you're running away? Woo! There you go. Come here. Come here. Look, the water. Look at the water. Woo! We're just waiting for Daddy to get home from work. And it's hot today, so we're playing in the water. Water! Okay. Water, water. You almost said it. Almost said it. Good job. You're learning your words. Okay, I need to stop before my phone gets wet. So, okay.